Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a quick video on how to use the Mavic Air without a smartphone or the controller in gesture mode. I have used it in gesture mode before, but setting it up on the controller. So this is just going to be basically the Mavic Air itself. The controller's in the bag, my phone is in my pocket, so I'll just unfold it here. Take off the gimbal cover. And turn the drone on. I always forget to unfold these little front legs. So to enter gesture mode, you've got to use the button on the back, and you've got to press that twice in quick succession. So 1, 2, and it makes a noise, and if you see the camera points up and it's scanning, looking for you, and it's looking for your hand. So if I put my hand out, it flashes green to say it's seen me, starts the rotors and takes off. So from there you can just use normal gesture mode. Doesn't know what it's doing because I put my hand down. Make the drone go further away. Up to 7 meters I've read. Put your hands close together and the drone comes towards you, sensing you all the time for the so it doesn't hit you. And then you can go up and then side to side. And then if you put both your hands down, it should be able to follow you. So I'll just start the video. And there you go, made the drone land again. Guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.